In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Sora 2 on an iPhone. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to get started smoothly. First off, grab your iPhone and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. We'll begin by opening up the App Store, your gateway to downloading new and exciting applications. With the App Store open, proceed to the search bar, typically located at the bottom of your screen, and type in Sora by OpenAI. This is the app you'll want to download for this setup. Once you find it, simply tap on the download icon to begin installing the app on your device. The app should start downloading immediately, and you'll see its progress as the circle icon gradually fills up. If you encounter any issues downloading, double-check your internet connection or try restarting the App Store. While waiting for the download to complete, let's talk briefly about what Sora 2 offers. This app allows you to create videos simply by entering a text prompt. It's an innovative tool that's perfect for content creators looking to experiment with new ways to engage their audience. Once the download has finished, open the app. Here, you'll be prompted to sign in using your OpenAI account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one following the on-screen instructions. It's pretty straightforward. Just a reminder, you'll also need an invite code for the first time setup. Make sure you have that handy. It's important to enter this invite code correctly as it will grant access to all the features in Sora. Now that you've successfully signed in, you're ready to start creating. The app's interface is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to begin crafting your videos. Simply enter your text prompt into the designated area and watch how the app transforms your words into captivating videos. Experiment with different prompts to see the wide range of possibilities Sora 2 offers in video creation. And there you have it. Installing Sora 2 on your iPhone is that straightforward. Take your time to explore the app and familiarize yourself with its features. Don't hesitate to get creative with your video prompts. With Sora 2, you're equipped with a powerful tool to bring your ideas to life right at your fingertips. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy creating!